Colors are very important so that you can trace your circuits and see where your positive current or positive voltage is traveling throughout your circuit. So as you can see here, I'm just bridging random nodes just to sort of explain the concept of how each node is connected on a breadboard. What project would you like us to do on this simulation to develop and actually test out? Let me know in the comment section and it's something I can address. So what I'm doing here is I'm bringing a voltmeter, and then we'll see what we can measure or connect to via the different nodes. So I don't have a schematic diagram that I'm following. I'm just sort of just going freelancing and hooking things up. But yeah, tell me what you'd like us to build and we can definitely implement something along those lines. So now that we've hooked up random nodes together, we'll switch to resistance. So your breadboard should ideally have no resistance when you measure it. But again, this is a simulation, so everything will be ideal. So what we'll do now is we'll add a resistor and see if we can measure the resistance throughout or in various positions on the breadboard. So I've added a resistor. If you know the value of this resistor, just drop it in the comment section below. Otherwise, wait for the measurement result and then we can see what the value is. So as you can see, I'm just connecting up the wiring and then we'll switch on the simulation and we have 1000 ohms. In other words, 1 kilo ohms. So the K written in small letters represents 1000. So what I'll do now is I'll just move about the resistor and just change its location so that you can see that each node has a particular resistance. No, that's incorrect. Each node can be connected to the multimeter so that you can measure the resistance. So we'll switch on our simulation again, and again we get 1 kilo ohm. So I think this wraps up this part of it. Let me know what you want to see or what you want us to do next, and we can definitely give it a try. This video was proudly brought to you by Tentronics. So drop us a comment, tell us what you liked,